10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition. Liftoff of the Falcon 9 and Crew Dragon. Go NASA, go SpaceX, Godspeed, Bob and Doug.
America has launched. And so rises the new era of American spaceflight, and with it the ambitions of a new generation continuing the dream. 20 seconds into flight, stage 1 propulsion is nominal.
That video is from nearly 5 years ago. A SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket taking a Crew Dragon capsule with 2 astronauts aboard up to the International Space Station. It was the first time in 9 years, since the space shuttle was retired, that America didn't rely on Russia to launch astronauts to space. Another factor that made that launch so cool is that it opened up the door for commercial spaceflight. Now, nearly 5 years on, this stunning video was released today of a flyby of the moon by Firefly Aerospace's Blue Ghost mission. This is part of NASA's CLPS initiative and Artemis campaign. CLPS stands for Commercial Lunar Payload Services. Blue Ghost will land on the moon this Sunday, the 2nd of March. Now enjoy this gorgeous video. Well, that's the video done. If you liked it, brilliant. Hit the like button and leave me a comment too. Now you know what to do. Go hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.